Hello students, I am sure you must have gone through the formulas which were given to you in the previous video. We have this entire circles concept video made in 4 parts, part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Well, part 1 covers maximum 50% of the concept related to circles. So before you start doing problems, I want you to be thorough with the part 1 so that you can understand the problems which you are doing now. Alright, so this entire week we will be doing problems related to circles, and that is related to our part 1 formulas or the concept which we have already discussed. Now children, I am sure you are able to see a question in front of you. Now usually these kind of questions you will get in the examination for 7 marks. No doubt this is a problem related to circles, but actually speaking this is nothing but algebra, because most of the time you will only solve. So it's a very simple problem, but many times this has come in the final examinations. So it is a sheer practice which is required, and you must do it without any error. So I want you to put concentration and listen what I am doing. So find the equation of circle passing through points 1, minus 6, 5, 2, 7, 0 and minus 1, minus 4. What am I going to do? I have to first assume, let us assume the equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. I call this as equation I. I passes through. What is the first point given to you? 1, minus 6. And whenever it is passing through any point, you will substitute. So you will substitute 1 square minus 6 whole square 36. 2 into g into 1 is 2 plus 2 into f into y. What is y value? Minus 6. So 2 into minus 6 is what? Minus 12f plus c is equal to 0. So I will get 2g minus 12f plus c is equal to 36 plus 1, 37, goes the other side, it is minus 37. So now you have an equation in terms of g, f and c, right? You have 3 equations, and you have to have 3 conditions at least. So here he has given you 4 conditions, 4 points. 3 are also sufficient, not necessarily that he has to give you the 4th point. Even if 3 points are given to you, you can still find the equation of circle, because what are the unknowns? G is unknown, f is unknown and c is unknown. So 3 points are also sufficient. So I am going to take any 3 points. Now I will say I passes through what points are? I will take the next point 5, 2. I passes through 5, 2. So what am I going to do? I am going to substitute. So therefore 5 square 25, and what is 2y square? 2 square. 2 square is how much? 4 plus 2 into g into 5, that is 10g. 2fy, y value is 2. 2 to the 4f plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So it is a 10g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 29. So you have this as second equation. Again I will say I passes through. What is the next point? 7, 0. When I passes through 7, 0, what am I going to do? I have to substitute this point over here. So it is 7 square. Therefore, it is 7 square plus 0 square 0 plus 2 into g into 7 means 7 2s are 14g plus what is y value? 0. So 2 into f into 0 will be what? 0 plus c is equal to 0. See, whenever you have a point involving 0, please use it, because one of the part is becoming 0, and you will get a very simple equation. 14g plus c is equal to, what is 7 square? Minus 49. Now I will call this as equation number 3. You can see, children, very clearly equation 3 contains only g and c. So I will try to solve 1 and 2 and try to eliminate f, so that I will get an equation in terms of g and c. So I will say solve 1 and 2. Right. Now it is 2g minus 12f plus c is equal to minus 37. 10g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 29. Now what am I going to do? I am going to eliminate f, because I don't have f here. Right, C is pretty easy, but already I have an equation in terms of F, so in terms of G and C. So I will try to multiply the second equation with 3. Why am I doing that? Because you have 12 here. To get 12, I must multiply with 3. So 4 3s is 12. So keeping first equation same, it is 2G minus 12F plus C is equal to minus 37, followed by G, 3 into 10 is 30G plus 4 3s are 12F plus 3C is equal to 29 3s is 87, 9 3s are 27, 20 into 3 is 60 is right. So now both of them are having opposite sign. Whenever it is opposite sign, you are supposed to add. Whenever there is the same sign, you are supposed to subtract. So I will add. When I add both the equations, 30 plus 2 is 32G, 3C plus 3C is 4C, and minus 87 minus 37. Let us add. 7 plus 7 14, 1 carry. 8 plus 3 plus 1 is 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So it is 124 with a negative sign. I think you can divide the entire equation by 4. I will say divide equation by 4 to make it simple. When you divide the equation by 4, 4 into 8 is 32, so 4 8G, and 4 goes 1 times C is equal to minus 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. Now I get this equation, there is already 3, I will call this as equation 4. Now what am I going to do? I am going to solve 3 and 4. Solve 3 and 4. So what will you do here? It is 14G plus C is equal to minus 49, and then he says 8G plus C is equal to minus 31. Now you can see very clearly C and C are having same sign subtract. 14G minus 8G will be 6G, C will get cancelled. I must subtract minus minus plus. It is 49 minus 31. It is 8 and 1 18, and I will write 18, but what is important is the sign. So you will do a mistake here, minus minus plus. The bigger number is having negative sign, put a minus sign. So 6G is equal to minus 8 implies G is equal to 6 1s are 6 3s are. You got the value of G. Now once you get the value of G, I will say substitute G is equal to minus 3 in equation 3. What is equation 3? 14 into minus 3 plus C is equal to minus 49. 14 3s is minus 42 plus C is equal to minus 49. So C is equal to minus 49 plus 42. What is C is equal to? Minus 7. You got the value of C, you got the value of G, I need to get the value of F. I will say substitute G and C in equation 1 or equation 2, anything. I will substitute here. 2 into what is G value? G value is minus 3, right? Plus minus 12 into F value I have to find, plus C value is minus 7 is equal to minus 37. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, minus 12F, minus 7 is equal to minus 37. So minus 6 minus 7 is what? Minus 13. Minus 12F is equal to minus 37. Now minus 13 plus 37 is equal to 12F. Now what is 37 minus 3? 13. This is 4, and 3 minus 1 is 2. It is minus plus 24 is equal to 12F. 12 1s are, 12 2s are. What is F is equal to 2. Now once you know G value, once you know F value, and once you know C value, you have to get back to equation I. What is equation I? This is the equation of circle. So what am I going to do? I will say substitute G, F and C in I. We have what? X square plus Y square plus 2gx. What is G value, my dear children? Minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 will be what? It is minus 6x plus 2fy. What is f value? 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So you have 4y plus c. What is c value? C value is minus 7. So minus 7 is equal to 0. So substituting G, F and C, you have as equation of circle. Alright. So for you it is very clear that even if you have 3 points, it is sufficient for you to get the equation of circle. Now what usually the author will do is, he will say show that the points are concyclic. Now what are you going to do when show that the points are concyclic? With any 3 points, similar procedure, you find the equation of circle. After that, the point which you have not utilized, that point you have to substitute. If this point satisfies this equation, then you will call, if this point satisfies this equation, then you will call that the given points are concyclic. The fourth point should satisfy. Now let us check whether this particular point is concyclic or not. Just have a moment. Let me check. I am sure you have copied. Let me check whether that is concyclic or not. What will I do? I will write a siding to check whether all the points are concyclic. Concyclic means what? Lying on a same circle. Already you constructed the equation of circle using 3 points. So definitely they are lying. Now what you need to do? You need to substitute the fourth point. You will substitute -1, -4 in the equation of circle. So what am I going to do? -1 means -1 whole square plus y square is -4 whole square minus 6 into -1 plus 4 into -4 minus 7. Let us check. -1 square 1, 4 square sweet 16, minus plus 6, 4 into -4 is minus sweet 16, minus 7. Minus 16 plus 16 cancel, 6 plus 1, 7 minus 7. Is it equal to 0? Yes, it is equal to 0. Means the fourth point is also satisfying the given curve or the given circle. Therefore, you will conclude, the given points are concyclic. Well, this was not asked, it was just asked find the equation of circle. If it is asked, you have to leave it here. But if it is further asked, show that they are concyclic, this is the additional part you are going to do. So I want you to pause the video and try this problem by yourself. Meanwhile, we will take a problem which is very important. Many a times this has come, similar to the type of concyclic. Alright, you can pause the video and copy. Yes, a wonderful question is there in front of you. Just now we did a problem where we found the equation of circle. Later we extended that problem and we have shown that it is concyclic. Now here, already he has told that these 4 points are concyclic. And if they are concyclic, you are supposed to find the value of C. Now, there is every chance that you will confuse this C with the general C which you are going to consider. So I will say let the equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus I will say k. Any objection? Some constant. I am not taking C because you may get confused this C with this C. Many students do that mistake and I want you not to do that mistake. So I will call this equation I. Now I passes through what point? 2, 0. So when it passes to 2, 0, 2 square plus 0 plus 2g into 2. 2 to the 4g plus 2f into 0. 0 plus k is equal to 0. So it is a 4g plus k is equal to -2. Call this as equation number 1. Next I will say I passes through 0, 1. I passes through 0, 1. Take this and substitute. 0 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 0 is 0 plus 2f plus k is equal to 0. So you have 2f plus k is equal to -1. You call that as equation number 2. Next, I passes through 4, 5. When I passes through 4, 5, take this point and substitute in this equation I. This is what it is. It is a 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into what is y value? 5 plus k is equal to 0. So 4 square sweet 16, 5 square 25, 4 2s are 8g, 5 2s are 10f plus k is equal to 0. So what am I going to do? I will write this as 8g plus 10f plus k is equal to 16 plus 25 is -41. Plus 41 will go other side, it is -41. So I got the third equation in terms of g, f and k. Now first equation is in terms of g and f. So what am I going to do? I will try to eliminate k using these two. I will try to eliminate k using these two. I will say solve 1 and 2. When you solve 1 and 2, it is 4g plus k is equal to -2. 2f plus k is equal to -1. Subtract 4g minus 2f, k cancel, -2 minus plus 1 is equal to what? -1. And now you call that as equation number 4. What am I going to do? Solve, I will say 2 and 3. 1 and 2 you solved, you have eliminated k. Solve 2 and 3, try to eliminate k. So it is 8g plus 10f plus k is equal to 2f plus k is equal to minus 1. Alright. Now what am I going to do? I am going to subtract. It is 8g, 10f minus 2f is equal to what? 8f. K cancel. 0 minus 1 is what? Plus 1. I think I can divide the equation by 8. I can divide, but here I have a problem. I will leave it that way only. It is 8g plus 8f is equal to 1. Alright. I'll call this as equation number 5. This is in terms of g and f. This is in terms of g and f. Let us solve. Solve g and f. Not gf, g and f. So solve 4g minus 2f is equal to minus 1, and this is 8g plus 8f is equal to 1. Now you have to decide. You have to balance g. If you want to balance g, this should become 8. So multiply this equation by 2. Okay. So I'll multiply the equation by 2 and I get 2 4s are 8g. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4f. 2 into minus 2 is what? Minus 2. Again you have 8g plus 8f is equal to, you have 1. Now what am I going to do? 8g I have balance and both of them are having same sign. Remember, same sign, subtract. Subtract. 8g cancel. Minus 4g, minus into minus plus. Minus 4g minus 8 will be minus 12f is equal to minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. And minus minus cancel. F is equal to 3 by 12, which is equal to 1 by 4. Now once you know the value of f is equal to 1 by 4, substitute f in what? Equation 2. In equation 2. So what will you get? 2 into f, that is 2 into 1 by 4 plus k is equal to what? Minus 1. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. K is equal to minus 1 minus 1 by 2. K is equal to minus 3 by 2. You got the value of k. You got the value of f. Now take the k value, dump it in equation 1 where you have g. Substitute in equation 1. Right? Substitute in equation 1. You have 4g plus k. What is k dear? Minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 2. What do you have? So it is 4g is equal to minus 2. Minus 3 by 2 goes that side, plus 3 by 2. Now 2 2s are 4. You must know how to take the LCM. 2 2s are 4. So it is minus 4 plus 3 by 2. What is minus 4 plus 3? Minus 1 by 2. So therefore you have 4g is equal to minus 1. 4g is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2, or g is equal to minus 1 by 8. You got g value, you got f value, you got k value. Substitute everything in equation I. Substitute g, f and k in I. We have x square plus y square plus 2g. G is how much? Minus 1 by 8. X plus 2f. What is f value? Plus 1 by 4. Y plus k. What is k value? K value is minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now, can you make any cancellations? Of course, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So you will get x square plus y square minus x by 4 plus 2y by 4 minus 3 by 2. I can cancel 2 here also, but not required because I am going to take the LCM. What is LCM? LCM is 4. So when you take the LCM as 4, it is 4x square plus 4y square. 4 goes 1 time, it is minus x. 4 goes 1 time, so it is plus 2y. 2 goes 2 times, 2 3s are minus 6 is equal to 0. This 4 will go to London. You have 4x square plus 4y square minus x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. E is the equation of circle. So that is the equation of circle passing through 3 points. I have done only 90% of the job, but he is telling you that these all points are concyclic, and if all points are concyclic, you are supposed to find the value of C. Now how you are going to do? You are going to use the fourth point. Alright, I will say since the points are concyclic, substitute 0 comma C in the equation of circle. So take this and substitute in the equation of circle. Let us substitute. It is a 4 into 0 square plus 4 into c square minus 0 plus 2 into, instead of y you have c, plus minus 6 is equal to 0. So you are left with what? 4c square plus 2c minus 6 is equal to 0. Now you can divide the equation by 2. When you divide the equation by 2, it is 2c square plus c minus 3 is equal to 0. Now can you take any factors? Yes sir, very much possible. How will you take the factors? It is 2c square, 2 3s are minus 6 and you have plus c. So it is 3c minus 2c. 3c minus 2c is c. Minus 3 is equal to 0. Take c common. When you take c common, you have 2c plus 3. Now here when nothing is common, either you should take 1 common or minus 1 common. I will take minus 1 common. When I take minus 1 common, you have 2c plus 3 is equal to 0. 2c plus 3 is again common into c minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2c plus 3 is equal to 0 or c minus 1 is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 3 by 2 or c is equal to 1. Alright, the question asked was, if the points are concyclic, find the value of c. What did I do? With the help of 3 points, I found the equation of circle. Purely algebra, no circles concept. Only concept of circle is assuming the equation of circle. Rest is all solving G, F and C. Alright, now once you find the equation of circle, the 4th point which is unknown, you substitute in the equation of circle, thereby getting the 2 different values of C. It's a wonderful question, students. It might take time for you, but it's very, very important and I'm expecting such type of questions in the board exam. Thank you, take care and keep practicing a lot. Bye-bye.